In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So you can see on my computer, if I head over to my Start menu and search for Microsoft Store, then I can't seem to find this application on my computer. So whether you've accidentally uninstalled this or it's been removed from your PC, I'm going to show you how we can reinstall it. So the first method is just to head over to your Start menu and search for PowerShell. And then we need to right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Now from this window here, you need to type in ws reset space hyphen and then the letter I and hit enter. Now what you'll need to do is go and wait about 2 to 3 minutes while this goes and reinstalls the Microsoft Store to your computer. So if I come over to my Start menu now and search for Microsoft Store, I still won't be able to find anything. But after you've waited about 2 to 3 minutes, you can then come back over to your Start menu and just search for Microsoft Store, and you can check to see if it's been reinstalled to your system. Now if it's not working, like it's not working for me, then we can just close out of this window. And what we're going to do instead is just open up an internet browser and type in Xbox app download for Windows and hit enter. Then click on this top website, which is Xbox app on Windows PC, and select download the app. Now this should appear in your downloads folder at the top here, and we can just click on the Xbox installer. Now you'll just need to wait a few seconds while that goes and installs onto your system. And if you get this message saying an application update is required, then what you'll need to do is just head over to your Start menu and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Apps and click on Installed Apps. Now in the search box, just type in Xbox, and then you'll need to go and uninstall the Xbox application. And I'm going to give that a few seconds while it goes and uninstalls. And I'm also going to uninstall the Xbox Live as well. Just click on Uninstall. Now once you've uninstalled both of these applications, you can then head back over to your internet browser, and once again we're just going to click on the Xbox installer, and this time you should have the option to go and install it. So click on install, and now just wait a few moments while that installs to your system. Once it's installed, click on let's go, and then just make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have one of these, then you can create one of them for free, and click on let's play. And now right at the top of this window, you'll see it says missing components for the Xbox app, and this is detecting the Microsoft Store's not installed. So what we can do is press review now, and you can also just come over to your profile icon and click on Settings, click on App from the left-hand side, and you can also go and install the Microsoft Store from here. So if I click on this install button, you can see right now it's going to install the Microsoft Store. So let's just wait for that to finish installing. Now this may take around 5 minutes to go and install to your system, so just wait for this to finish. So once this is finished installing, you can see it will disappear from the list. And now if I head over to the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store, you can see now it's been reinstalled. Now if you've been waiting for over 10 minutes for this Microsoft Store to go and install, then what you may need to do is just restart your computer, come back over to the Xbox application, and just click on the install button again, and that should fast forward this process, and it should only take a couple of minutes to install. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.